Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this looks like it pulsed down like an A or 1. I still think this looks like three waves up, either a wave B or wave 2. I still think this is going to make a downtrend, most likely for wave C, but it could possibly be a wave 3, and if it is a wave 3, then it may just keep on going. Either scenario at this point, it's not important to know whether it's a C or a 3. Either way, I think that will make a nice trend to the downside. Going down to the weekly, I still think this looks like a wave 1. I still think this move up is most likely a corrective wave 2. I think the 61.8 is pretty likely a place for this to end the wave 2 and continue down for a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. Most likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, or possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So going down to the daily time frame, on the daily, I mean, this is definitely a trend. It for sure has a nice five-wave pattern. I think it's still a wave 1. I still think this is impulsive up wave A, three waves down wave B. And then we have an overlapping trend, which most likely is like an ending diagonal wave C. I do think that it needs to hit the 61.8 pretty likely before it ends a wave 2. Then it will clearly take out the high of wave 4, just like a wave 2 should. And from there, hopefully, it will keep on going down for wave 3. We do have non-farm payroll this week, so maybe non-farm payroll will be the catalyst that causes this to end the wave 2 and continue down for the wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, this is where we can see the last end of a correction, and it looks like a 1, 2, 3. Looks like a 4. We're probably in a wave 5 right now, and I'm not really convinced that the wave 5 is over. I bet it's going to continue up closer to this 61.8, probably for the rest of the week, at least until Friday's non-farm payroll. It will keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows on this 4 hour time frame until we get the break of structure and pulse the move down, hopefully ending a wave C of wave 2. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely is a pretty impulsive move down, but it has not broken any structure. So far, the trend is definitely still up. I think that this is more likely to keep on trending up. So I would, unless it breaks structure to the downside, I would for sure still be looking for longs in an uptrend, especially if this turns out a Fibonacci retracement of this last push up. I would be looking for three waves down. I'd be looking for impulsive up. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce to go long for the continuation of what is most likely a wave C of wave 2 on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.